It's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.